What's going on, guys? Motivation 3 back at you. Been gone for a while, real long while actually. I think my last upload was a couple of months ago, but we're gonna try and get a little bit more consistent now that this old Corona is about done. But today I'm gonna put you a little short video out there because I got a little rant, and I got a speeding ticket today. And before you go, it's not what you think. We was up in the canyon getting it, but not on this. It's on a little Honda Groms. And one of the state guys up there, hold on. Oh man, I love this bike. Anyway, before I get sidetracked, one of the state guys up there, the parks guys, blue lighted us coming through a turn up there. Now, if y'all ever ridden a Honda Grom, y'all know that thing ain't gonna do but about 50-55 miles per hour anyway. Anyway, he blue lights us. It's me and two of my buddies, and we're right there. There's no shoulder. There's nowhere to really stop because I mean it's just the road and grass and goes off on the edge and stuff like that. And he's following us on the blue light, and I'm trying to find a little place because I know there's a little cutoff right up there, a little bit further up the road. So we get up there, and he comes out of the car all aggressive. It's like, y'all didn't see me light y'all up? I'm like, well, yes, sir, we did see you light us up. I mean, we acknowledged you. Well, I didn't see you acknowledge me. Y'all should have stopped right there. Well, I'm trying to be polite, and I'm like, what do you mean? Stop right in the middle of the road, right in the curve? He said, yeah, y'all should have stopped right then. I was like, sir, for my safety, I'm not going to stop in a curve. I mean, that's just part of it, you know. If you rode for a long time, that's a dangerous part to stop, place to stop. And he gets all pissy, and he's acting all cockstrong with us and everything like that. And anyway, well, let me get back to a little part. When we're sitting there, my two buddies tell me, we don't have a motorcycle license. And I'm like, oh shit, here we go. Anyway, and then he sat there and he says, well, since I got all y'all together, this is the cop, he says, I need to see all your license. And then y'all got motorcycle endorsements? And I'm like, yeah, sure I do. Here's my license and everything. And my one buddy that's right behind me, he's like, well, I don't have a motorcycle endorsement. And oh man, that put that cop in a different level of pissed off. It's like, not only are I here down speeding, y'all not even riding legally. And my other buddy behind me was like, hey, I don't got a motorcycle license either. I'm like, shit. Anyway, he's like, cop sit there and kind of gives us the evil eye, and he's like, well, I guess I'm gonna have to tow these two bikes. And he says, I'll be right back with y'all. So he goes to the squad unit there and sits there, makes us sit there for about 15-20 minutes while he's in there in his air-conditioned vehicle. It's like 90 degrees out. We're sitting there sweating our balls off. And he finally comes out and he says, well, if y'all got a way to get these home, I'm not going to tow them, but if you don't, I'm going to tow them. My buddy's like, well, shoot, I got somebody, I'll call somebody. I mean, it's like an hour away from where we live anyway. So, and he looks at me and he says, well, you're legal, but I'm still writing you a ticket. 48 miles per hour and a 35 on a damn Honda Grom. Can you believe that? I look at this man, I'm like, you really write me a ticket on this little thing? He said, yep, I really am. And I was like, well, all right, man, you know, you got me, I guess. I say you got me, but I don't think I was going that fast. Now, if I'd have been on this bike, that'd have been something different. It'd have been, yeah, you got me. I was probably going through there, but I'd have been dressed for the ride. You know, I was dressed just like this on the little Honda Grom. We was just casual riding. You know, I probably should have a jacket on now, but I'm just coming out here just trying to rant for you guys a little bit. But let me just, you know, get on a better subject. I got some content coming to you guys. It's not motorcycle content, it's Camaro content, which some of you guys probably want to see it. You know, it might get me a little bit more of a fan base. But we went up to the Tail of the Dragon on a Camaro rally. There's about 150 different Camaros. I mean, every generation. It was a beautiful thing to see too. But a lot of my video, some of it got corrupted when I was trying to import it into my computer, and it made it for it's kind of chopped up. So I mean, it's really hard to sync when you do that. But I'm gonna do the best I can to get you something, guys. That way, I won't let y'all just sit there and hang. I know everybody's just waiting to see my channel. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can sense sarcasm or not, but I don't even know where I'm at. I think I'm just went to a dead end. Is this a dead end? Wow, hell yeah. Anyway, guys, I'll get back with you guys here shortly. I'll get you some content up. Look forward to that Camaro rally content. It's got some pretty good stuff on there, even though it's all choppy and stuff like that. We did some different angles. We did some dash cam stuff, did some out of the car stuff, and some hat cam. The hat cam stuff, I probably won't upload much of it because you really can't see, because it was just the sight window on a Camaro is very small anyway, and I was kind of up too tall. But it is what it is. If y'all want to see it, I'll put it out there too. I'll try to sync it up the best I can. Just let me know in the comments what you want to see. But anyway, guys, I ain't gonna sit here and ramble anymore. But sit there and try to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's try and grow this channel. Anyway, guys, till next time, peace.
Yeah, we are in the place to be. Yeah.